This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kathy Day. SANDPIPER Bay Beauty. Spacious and open/split floor plan featuring 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths with fabulous saltwater pool. Amazing! Walk in the elegant entryway to formal living room and open the sliders to the pool. Master bedroom has double doors and opens onto the pool/patio. Enjoy the view of the pool from kitchen and eat-in area. Updated half bathroom is conveniently located just off of the pool area. New stove/double oven and screen enclosure rescreened, deck painted in 2020, new AC in 2019, metal roof in 2018. Hot water heater and central vacuum west/attachments in 2017. Wood burning fireplace in family room. Family room opens to pool/patio. Wow! Jets in master bathtub, pool heater, intercom are not operational, alarm monitored by ADT garage FRIG doesn't convey. For more information, review the details below.